Tired of making the same classroom materials over and over again? What if you could create personalized designs for every student in your class in just a few clicks? Hi everyone, I'm Katie Marcoux. Say hello to Canva's Bulk Create app. First, find a template you love, like this name tag design. To get started, search for and open the Bulk Create app. Choose to enter your data manually, and then copy and paste your student list directly into the app. Next, click on the text box in your template and connect it to your student list. Then click Generate and watch as a personalized design is instantly created for every student. This tool is a lot more than just name tags. Try making vocabulary cards, student posters, infographics, and so much more. Ready to get started? Try it out for yourself. Click the link below for a step-by-step guide and follow us for more tips.